You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn words in the comments. If you want to learn more confusing names and how they're pronounced, stay tuned. I've got tons of them for you at the end of this video. Super interesting. The most common pronunciation in English is Mia. Do you disagree? Let me know in the comments. Do you pronounce it as Maya? Some people may pronounce it as Maya indeed, and it'd be very interesting to hear the proportion from you. Let us know how you pronounce it, Mia or Maya, in the comments, and where you're from, so we all learn from you how you want it pronounced. Mia or Maya? How is the pronunciation, your pronunciation? Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.